we have here sample for refrigerator. So we have here the problem. A refrigerator has a coefficient of performance of 2.1. In each cycle, it absorbs 3.4 times 10 to the power of 4 joules of heat from the cold reservoir. So we have here the problem. So how much mechanical energy is required each cycle to operate the refrigerator? B. During each cycle, how much heat is discarded to the high temperature reservoir? So ang ginapangita actually ani is the mechanical work and the energy from the amount of energy gonna transfer from the cold reservoir to a high reservoir, to a high temperature reservoir. So I have here the given coefficient of performance, the energy from the cold reservoir, which is 3.40 times 10 to the power of 4 joules. So in order to get the work, remembering the formula for coefficient of friction, we have the two variables which is highly related, the K and the QC. So finding the work, just do some algebraic expression. Work can be expressed as the amount of QC over the coefficient of performance. So just substitute the values, 3.40 times 10 to the power 4 joules over 2.0. We have here the amount of work, which is equal to 1.62 times 10 to the power of 4 joules. So in order to get the amount of energy transferred from a cold reservoir to a high reservoir, is that we have here the formula for work, mechanical work, QC plus QH. So QH is the variable which we need to find. So QH, just do some algebraic expression again. So transfer QC to the right. So QH is equal to negative 1.62 times 10 the work times 10 to the power of 4 joules minus 3.40 times 10 to the power of joules. So you might be wondering anong ang work is negative. It's because kuan sila, ang work is the heat input together. Work is the net, is the input, the amount of energy input nga together with the amount of energy from the cold reservoir nga na-transfer dito sa hot reservoir, which is, so i-plus na to ang duha, diba? I-plus na to ang duha, 1.62 times 10 to the power of 4 joules minus 3.40 times 10 to the power of joules. So nag-equal siya negative 5.0 times 10 to the 4th power joules. So we have here the representation. So itong amount of energy from the cold reservoir, so na-transfer siya from inside of the refrigerator plus the negative work, then padulong siya sa hot reservoir, itong QH, which is less than to 0, so negative siya. So that would be all. Thank you.